Welcome to Talk in English. Excuse me, do you know where room 203 is?
Oh, hi. Sure. Room 203, that's on the second floor. You'll want to take the stairs or the elevator just around the corner.
Great, thanks. Is it far from here?
Not at all. Once you get to the second floor, just turn left, and you'll see it on your right-hand side, right next to the library.
Got it. Left on the second floor. Thanks a lot.
No problem. If you have any trouble, feel free to ask someone else. Enjoy your class.
Excuse me. I'm looking for room 203. Do you know where it is?
Oh, sure. Room 203 is on the second floor. Take the stairs over there, and when you reach the top, turn left. It's the second door on your right.
Thanks a lot. Is it close to the main entrance?
Not really. It's a bit of a walk from here. Once you go up the stairs, just follow the signs for the second floor classrooms, and you'll find it easily.
Got it. Thanks for the directions. I appreciate it.
No problem. If you have any more trouble, feel free to ask someone else. Good luck.
Excuse me, do you know where room 301 is?
Oh, sure. It's on the third floor of this building. Go up the stairs, and when you reach the third floor, turn left. It's the third room on your right-hand side.
Thanks a lot. Is it far from here?
Not really. It's just down this hallway and around the corner. You can't miss it.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem at all. Good luck finding your class.
Hey, excuse me. Do you know where room 210 is?
Sure. Let me check the campus map. It's on the second floor of the building across from the library.
Got it. Is it easy to find from here?
Yeah. Once you get to the second floor, just turn right, and it's the third door on your left.
Great. Thanks a lot. By the way, is there an elevator nearby?
Yeah. Just down the hall to your left, you'll see it.
Awesome. Thanks again for the directions.
No problem. Good luck finding your class.
Excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Can you help me find room 203?
Of course. No problem. Let me check the map real quick. Okay. You're here in the main building. Room 203 is on the second floor. Just take the stairs over there, and when you reach the second floor, turn left. It should be on your right-hand side.
Great. Thanks. Is it close to the library?
Yeah, it's just down the hall from the library. You can't miss it. If you pass the water fountain, you've gone too far.
Perfect. I appreciate your help. I'm new here, and the campus is a bit confusing.
No worries. We've all been there. If you have any more questions or need help finding anything else, feel free to ask. Enjoy your day.
Excuse me, I'm looking for room 203. Do you know where it is?
Oh, hey, sure. Room 203 is on the second floor. You need to go up the stairs, turn left, and it's the second door on your right.
Thanks a lot. I'm new here, and the campus is a bit confusing.
No problem. I remember feeling the same way when I first got here. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
I appreciate that. By the way, is there a shortcut or something to remember the building layout?
Well, a quick tip is to use the color-coded signs. Each building has its own color, and the signs are pretty clear. Also, there's a campus map near the entrance if you ever get lost.
Great advice. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Good luck finding your way around. And if you need anything else, just ask.
Excuse me, do you know where room 203 is? I'm a bit lost.
Oh, sure. Room 203 is on the second floor. You'll need to take the stairs or the elevator up.
Thanks. Which way is the staircase?
Just go down this hallway, and you'll see a sign for the stairs on your left. Can't miss it.
Got it. And once I'm on the second floor?
Turn right after coming up the stairs, and room 203 will be on your left-hand side. It's just a few doors down.
Perfect. Thanks a lot. I appreciate your help.
No problem. If you need anything else, feel free to ask. Good luck.
Hey, excuse me. I'm trying to find room 203. Do you know where it is?
Oh, hi. Sure. Room 203. Let me think. It's on the second floor, just down the hall to your left. You can't miss it.
Great, thanks. I always manage to get lost in this building.
No worries. Happens to the best of us. If you need anything else, feel free to ask. Enjoy your class.
Excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Can you help me find classroom 203?
Of course, no problem. You just need to go down this hallway, turn left at the end, and it should be the second door on your right.
Great, thanks. By the way, is there a shortcut or another way to get there faster?
Well, you could take the stairs instead of the elevator. It's just around the corner, and you'll reach the second floor more quickly.
Perfect. I'll take the stairs then. Thanks a lot for your help.
You're welcome. If you have any more trouble finding it, don't hesitate to ask. Good luck!
Excuse me, I'm trying to find room 302. Do you happen to know where it is?
Oh, sure. Room 302, right? It's on the third floor. Just go up these stairs and take a left. You'll find it at the end of the hallway.
Great, thanks a lot. I'm new here, so I'm still getting used to the layout.
No worries, it can be a bit confusing at first. If you need help finding anything else, feel free to ask.
Will do. Thanks again. By the way, I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. If you have any more questions, just give me a shout. Good luck with finding your way around.